Hello, welcome back to my channel. In last video, I started the topic ratio analysis. In this video, I'm going to explain how to do analysis by using trading and profit and loss statements. This is the trading and profit and loss statement. By using this statement, we want to calculate the five ratios: gross profit, expenses, operating, net profit, and the stock turnover ratio. Let me calculate these ratios one after the another. So this is the statement. By using this statement, first we'll calculate the gross profit ratio. The formula for any gross profit is gross profit divided by sales into an 100. The gross profit it appears in the trading account expenses side, and the sales will appear in the trading account credit side. So in this statement, we have any gross profit of 2 lakhs and then sale as any 5 lakhs. If we kept these values in the formula, we'll get 2 lakhs divided by 5 lakhs into an 100. We'll get profit as any 40%. The second formula for calculation is any expenses ratio. The formula is any operating expenses divided by net sales into any 100. The net sale is indicated as any total sales. The operating expenses are appear in the P&L account left hand side. So if you see this statement, here we have an administration expenses, and next we having the selling and distribution expenses and non-operating expenses and financial expenses. In these items, the operating expenses are administrative expenses and selling and distribution expenses. If you add administration expenses and selling and distribution expenses, we'll get as an operating expenses. If we had 1,01,000 plus 12,000, we'll get as an 1,13,000. And the net sales are nothing but the total sales. The total sale value is any 5 lakhs. If we imply these values in the formula, means we'll get 1,13,000 divided by 5 lakhs into an 100. The ratio will be any 22.60. The third ratio is any operating ratio. To calculate operating ratio, the formula is any cost of goods sold plus operating expenses divided by any net sales. Here, how to know the cost of goods sold means, in a simple way, in a trading account, if we add all the expenses items, means opening stock plus purchases, carriages, wages, if you add all these expenses, and from these expenses if you deduct the closing stock, we'll get the cost of goods sold. See, here we having the 1 2 3 4 four items are related to the expenses. If we add all these 4 items, from these items if we deduct the closing stock, we'll get as a cost of goods sold. So 76,250 plus 3 lakhs change 2,000 and 5,000 minus 98,500, we get the 3 lakhs rupees. And next here we have an a plus, we want to add operating expenses. We already know what are operating expenses. If we had the administrative expenses and selling and distribution expenses, we'll get as an operating expenses. So 1,01,000 plus 12,000 will get as an 1,13,000. So if we add 3 lakhs plus 1,13,000 divided by sales are nothing but it's an 5 lakhs, we know, into 100. So the ratio will be an 82.60%. And the next ratio is a net profit ratio. The formula is a net profit divided by net sales, means total sales, into an 100. The net profit, it will be appear in the P&L account expenses side. So here in this statement we have a net profit of 84,000. So we already know it's the total sales is a 5 lakhs. So if apply these values in the formula, it's an 84,000 divided by 5 lakhs into an 100. We'll get as an 16.8%. The next formula is an stock turnover ratio. The formula for stock turnover ratio is an cost of goods sold divided by average stock. So in the previous operating ratio, we calculate the cost of goods sold. For knowing the average stock, here opening stock plus closing stock divided by 2, we will get as any average stock. So average stock is equals to opening stock plus closing stock divided by 2. Okay, see in the previous itself we got the cost of goods sold is equals to 3 lakhs and average stock will get as an 87,375. If we divide this means we'll get as an 3.43%. Okay, so guys, like this we'll calculate the ratios by using the financial statements. Hope you understand this concept well. Thank you.